Hello, it's me again. I made a tree, and I don't know if you can really make it out. Everything's white. Let's try it like this. Anyway, it's the whole stranded wire and stuff. I went a step farther though, and I took some solder and made it a little stiffer, so that way it won't, bend. Of course it does. And then I was making some of the Hearst Arts mold. Got some stuff down here that I've been working on. I had some leftover plaster, so I coated it, and thought it might look a little more like bark after I've got it, I don't know, sanded and little grains or something. I think I'm going to glue some of the flocking to the tree. Make it look like it's in season, maybe. I don't know if that'll work though. That's, as you can see right here, no, you can't. Can you see it against that? You can see the shininess. Anyway, some of the plaster didn't quite set, and some of it did. So we'll play with that and let you guys see how that happens too. And that's all for that one. I want a base, because you can't just stab it in. Well, I don't know, some styrofoam maybe. Kind of make it look like a center elder tree, or I don't know, some reason it has a circle around it, bricks and stuff. I'm rambling again. I do that a lot. Anyway, see ya.